أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وإذ زين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم وقال لا غالب لكم اليوم من الناس وإني جار لكم فلما تراءت الفئتان نكص على عقبيه وقال إني بريء منكم إني أرى ما لا ترون إني أخاف الله والله شديد العقاب.
Satan made their deeds appear good to them, and said, You cannot be defeated by any people today, and I am at your side. But when the two armies came in sight of one another, he turned on his heels, and said, I am innocent of you, I see what you do not see, I fear Allah. Allah is severe in punishment.
إذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض غر هؤلاء دينهم ومن يتوكل على الله فإن الله عزيز حكيم.
The hypocrites and those in whose hearts is sickness said, Their religion has deluded these people. But whoever puts his trust in Allah, Allah is mighty and wise.
ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
If only you could see, as the angels take away those who disbelieve, striking their faces and their backs, taste the agony of the burning.
ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
That is because of what your hands have committed, and because Allah is not unjust to the servants.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كفروا بآيات الله فأخذهم الله بذنوبهم إن الله قوي شديد العقاب.
Like the behavior of the people of Pharaoh, and those before them, they rejected the signs of Allah, so Allah seized them for their sins. Allah is powerful, severe in punishment.
ذلك بأن الله لم يك مغيرا نعمة أنعمها على قوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وأن الله سميع عليم.
That is because Allah would never change a blessing He has bestowed on a people unless they change what is within themselves, and because Allah is hearing and knowing.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كذبوا بآيات ربهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وكل كانوا ظالمين.
Such was the case with the people of Pharaoh, and those before them. They denied the signs of their Lord, so we annihilated them for their wrongs, and we drowned the people of Pharaoh. They were all evildoers.